Make hay while the sun shines. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Make hay while the sun shines to seize opportunities and maximize productivity. Carpe diem, as they say. It is essential to make the most of favorable conditions before they fade away. In every aspect of life, whether personal or professional, timing is crucial. This proverb reminds us to act promptly when the circumstances are in our favor, as they may not last forever. In our professional lives, this proverb holds significant importance. When faced with a promising business opportunity, we should swiftly take action, making the most of the situation at hand. Proactively pursuing ventures while conditions are favorable can result in accelerated growth, increased profits, and the accomplishment of long-term goals. By capitalizing on these ripe moments, we can establish ourselves as leaders in our respective fields, gaining a competitive, for example. Similarly, in our personal lives, seizing the day can bring us immense joy and fulfillment. We should harness positive circumstances to pursue our passions, strengthen relationships, and create lasting memories. Whether it's exploring new hobbies, fostering meaningful connections, or embarking on adventures, proactivity in nurturing our personal lives enables us to lead a more enriched existence. However, it is vital not to confuse this adage with impulsiveness or recklessness. Making hay while the sun shines does not mean blindly jumping into every opportunity that presents itself. We must exercise discernment and thoughtfulness in our actions, ensuring that we are making informed decisions that align with our values and long-term aspirations. Ultimately, applying this proverb to our lives reminds us of the fleeting nature of time and the importance of being proactive. By seizing opportunities and maximizing productivity during favorable conditions, we can increase our chances of success and overcome difficulties. It is crucial to make the most of the present moment and not procrastinate, as the window of opportunity may close sooner than we realize. Moreover, making hay while the sun shines teaches us the value of preparation. It is essential to be prepared and ready to take action when the circumstances are in our favor. This means constantly honing our skills, expanding our knowledge, and staying vigilant for potential opportunities. By being proactive and well-prepared, we can make the most of favorable conditions and achieve our goals. Additionally, embracing the mindset of making hay while the sun shines can lead to a more positive and optimistic outlook on life. Instead of dwelling on past failures or waiting for the perfect conditions, we can focus on the possibilities and potential that lie before us. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.